Shinlanko here. I'm going to test the speed of the Brushless Blizzard. I'm going to use the nickel metal halide battery that came with the stock kit. My latrax motors, when I tested them, the 27 turns, they went 6.2 miles an hour, but I had the stock 16 tooth pinion gear on. Now I have a 15 tooth, so that's a little bit smaller, but we're going to see how this goes. Test 1, 7.2 nickel metal halide stock kit pack. Speed test. .8 miles an hour. 3S lipo speed test. .3 miles an hour. So my latrax motors, 27 turns, went 6.2 mile an hour on a regular 6L nickel metal halide stock pack, but that had 16 tooth pinions. This has 15, so I guess these motors are a lot slower. .7 miles an hour, max speed with 3S lipo. .7 miles an hour, 7.7.